Alright, now Galaxy phones are already packed with top tier security features to keep your information safe. And now, Samsung is introducing much harsher lock screen protocols designed specifically to defend your personal data from unauthorized brute force hacking. Basically stopping anyone or anything from continuously guessing your password at random. Samsung says to protect your privacy and personal data from brute force hacking attempts, the maximum number of unlock retries has been reduced in One UI 9. To help minimize user inconvenience while maintaining high security, the system now provides clear notifications of your remaining retry attempts, explicit guidance text when repetitive incorrect entries are made, smart counting that excludes identical consecutive incorrect attempts. So the total allowed attempts before a lockdown are reduced and the temporary input restriction is strictly enforced. The timeout duration before you can try again will scale up progressively at each stage. Now there is a chart here. The lockdown duration based on number of failed attempts are as follows: 5 failed attempts, 1 minute lockdown duration, 6 attempts, 5 minutes, 7 attempts, 15 minutes, 8 attempts, 30 minutes, 9, 90 minutes, 10, 4 hours, 11 attempts, 12 hours, and once you do 12 wrong attempts, the phone will lock down for 24 hours. And on the 13th failed attempt, the Galaxy device will be permanently locked and can only be unlocked by performing a factory reset of the device. And you may be wondering, what if somebody steals my phone and attempts the wrong password multiple times to lock down the device and then to factory reset it? Yes, the thief can do that. But once the phone restarts, you will be required to authenticate with the registered Samsung account and Google account to clear the factory reset protection lock, which is FRP lock. So even if you completely forgot your lock screen password, after 13th failed attempts, once you reset your phone, you will again need to authenticate your Samsung account and Google account to get into your phone. And you will also be able to see the number of attempts that are left when you keep trying the wrong password. You will be getting a warning message which will explicitly say the exact number of remaining attempts. So this is a great security feature which Samsung has added on One UI 9, but I'm not sure whether this feature will be coming to all the previous Galaxy phones which are eligible to get One UI 9, because their statement reads differently. Starting from devices launched with One UI 9, Samsung has implemented stricter lock screen security measures. Now I'm not sure whether the new devices launching with One UI 9 will only get these features or the existing phones will also get it. Currently on my Galaxy S26 Ultra, it doesn't seem to be working. When I attempt it multiple times, it just says too many attempts. So we will have to wait and see. But hey, kudos to Samsung for adding these security features which are much needed for our data safety. You guys let me know what do you think, drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you find this video informative, and don't forget to download our Volvus wallpaper application. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers, bye bye.